Hello everyone, welcome back today to my channel. I'm so excited to share with you guys this lovely thank you card that I made. I needed to make a thank you card for someone, so I thought that I would bring you along. So without further ado, let's jump right into this. For this project, you will need some pink and white cardstock, as well as patterned cardstock, a black marker, a pen, a pencil, glue stick, scissors, a hole punch, and a ruler. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a piece of pink cardstock to 4 inches by 5.5 inches. Next, using some scrap pink cardstock, I'm going to punch out some circles. I'm going to use the circles to add some interest to the background. So once I've got all the circles punched out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a glue stick and I'm going to glue them on in a random order. I'm not worrying about any pattern or anything. I'm just gluing it on wherever I want to. Now this is a very simple little detail, but it really takes your card to the next level, and I absolutely love doing these kind of details. It just adds so much more interest to the card. I also added a circle which is hanging off the edge, and that just makes the pattern look like it's very continuous, and it even goes off the card panel. So once I've glued on all of my circles, I'm going to take a pair of scissors and I'm going to cut off the circle. Now I'm going to set this aside. Next, I'm going to take a piece of patterned cardstock, which measures 2 inches by 3 inches, and I'm going to cut out a triangle from it. Now cutting out the triangle will make the cardstock have a look of a ribbon, and that's what we want. Now I'm going to glue it down the center of the card panel using, again, my glue stick for this. You can also use double-sided tape for this, but I just went with a glue stick. Once I've glued it on, I realized that it was kind of getting lost in the background, so I traced it with a black marker. Next, I'm going to take a piece of white cardstock and I'm going to get a roll of washi tape, which I'm going to trace on it, and then I'm going to cut that circle out. On that circle, I'm going to write my sentiment, which is thank you, which I'm going to glue on in the middle of the ribbon. And that's literally it. Our card panel is done. Now all there's left to do is to glue it onto our card base. My card base measures 4.5 inches by 6 inches. And I'm going to glue my card panel on it. As you can see, because of the measurements of the card panel, I have a 1/2 inch border all around it, and that gives it a much more professional look. Once I've got that all glued on, my card is pretty much done, but what I like to add to all of my cards is this this handmade stamp on the back of each of my cards, and this stamp is part of the Hero Arts Friend stamp set, and what this does is it just adds a little something extra to the card, and I just really love it, and I like to add that to all of my handmade cards. And that's pretty much it. Our beautiful and simple card is finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys liked it, then be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye!